Little baby girl. Half Max, half London. Cute.
I know. I'm trying to dry you off. You're all wet.
London's watching you.
See, they still got their umbilical cords.
Yeah, some of them. Yep, she got to clean them, I guess.
Come here, let me see what you are. Boy.
Boy.
I think.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Look at London. What, London? It's all right. Good girl. Cute little things. Oh my God, they're adorable. Looks like a little gremlin. It's so cute. They all kind of look the same too, really.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all very similar. All right, London, you're getting your babies back. She's being dried off.
She wants to clean them while I hold them because apparently she can't get to.
Can't get to all the spots she needs to, yeah. Here, Max outside barking up a storm. I'm never going to sleep again, am I? Probably not, huh? Well, that's what I'm thinking. I'm like, great. I'm going to be hearing those little squeaks in my sleep.
They'll settle down after a day or so, but when they're hungry and nursing.
Yeah, they're going to... I'm going to have a whole troop running around my room, I guess, eventually.
Yep. About 3 weeks.
Oh, yeah, good times. Everything in my house chewed.
Can I have another one? You're still cleaning him?
Yeah, she got the whole mommy thing down pat. She's been at this since 6 a.m. What time is it now?
I don't know, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, yeah, probably about 2.5 hours since the last one came out. Good girl, London.
Can I have another one? Let me see. What's this one? This one's got a fat belly.
Cute.
Girl.
Girl.
See, when I hold them like this, she
She
can
gets
get to the
clean-
cord
yep.
and bite it off.
Yep. Really vocal for just being born.
Mm-hmm. This one has a white tip on its tail.
Oh, yeah? She does, huh? Oh, yeah. I guess they're all going to have one little variation that's going to separate probably their appearance.
yeah.
Look, white on the back, too, right there.
Mm-hmm. And a
Yep.
stripe up her face.
Yeah. They all look slightly different, but, but all very similar. I was looking up German Shepherd Pit Bull mixes online. They're really cute dogs.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Here. Oh, you want me? What, you want me to keep holding her?
So what do we have so far? What's the count? 2 girls, 1 boy?
2 girls, 1 boy.
We got 3 more to go, huh?
Yeah, they're all nursing underneath her.
All right.
Boy.
2 boys, 2 girls. Throw your hands up in the air. Yeah, London ran upstairs this morning. I could see some dirt on her back foot. I guess Max is like driving her nuts, trying to like get on top of her. I'm like, because she literally ran past me in the kitchen. I was like, where's she going that fast, like that pregnant? Oh, she's running up here to have the babies. On my bed, no less. Thanks for that, by the way, London.
Oh no.
I'm gonna clean these friggin' sheets. Well, I'm gonna throw away the sheets. The blanket's gonna be cleaned up. Can you get to the other ones or no?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, yeah. So
She's
try to get them. Is it covering you?
no, she's not covering me.
Oh, okay.
She wants to clean them more.
So we get the total count. Wonder what we're getting here.
So we have 2 and 2.
Yep. Right down the middle.
Mm-hmm. Come on. What? You're cleaning up everything, aren't you?